Have you ever had a dream that predicted the future? Or felt a deep connection to something you couldn't explain? We're going to explore these experiences and more, uncovering the potential that lies within each of us. Understanding intuition and consciousness. Intuition and consciousness are not just abstract concepts found in philosophy textbooks. They are real, dynamic forces within each of us. Understanding them is the first step to realizing our inner potential. First is intuition. It's that instinctive feeling, the sixth sense that often guides us in making decisions. It's not just a random guess, but a rapid, unconscious processing of accumulated experiences and knowledge. Think of a time when you had a gut feeling about something and it turned out to be right. That's your intuition at work. It's a natural human ability, often suppressed by the noise of rational thought and the hustle of daily life. Now let's discuss consciousness. It's our awareness, the state of being awake and responsive to our surroundings, but it's more than just being alert. It involves an understanding of oneself, one's thoughts, and emotions. It's the essence of our being, the core from which we experience life. Consciousness allows us to perceive and interact with the world, and it's also where our intuition resides. When we talk about expanding our consciousness, we're referring to increasing this awareness, not just externally, but internally. It's about tuning in more deeply to our thoughts, emotions, and the subtle cues in our environment. This heightened awareness amplifies our intuitive abilities. As we become more conscious, we become more in tune with our inner voice, our intuitive self. So, why is this important? Developing a keen sense of intuition and a broadened consciousness can profoundly change how we experience life. It enables us to make better decisions, understand ourselves and others more deeply, and connect with the world in a more meaningful way. The phenomenon of prophetic dreams. Now let's explore one of the most intriguing aspects of human consciousness, prophetic dreams. These are not just the random wanderings of our sleeping minds. They are often deeply insightful glimpses into potential futures, a phenomenon that has fascinated humanity for centuries. Prophetic dreams, or precognitive dreams, are those where we seem to foresee events before they happen. They can be startling in their accuracy, depicting scenarios and details that later unfold in real life. While skeptics may dismiss these as mere coincidences, those who have experienced them know there's more to these dreams than chance. But how do these dreams occur? While the exact mechanism remains a mystery, one theory is that our subconscious mind, unbound by linear time and space, can access information beyond our conscious awareness. In sleep, our logical, waking mind takes a back seat, allowing the intuitive, non-linear part of our brain to dominate. This shift could enable us to tap into a broader consciousness that transcends our immediate reality, glimpsing into events that haven't yet occurred in our linear timeline. Another explanation comes from quantum physics, which suggests that time isn't as linear as we perceive it to be. In this view, the future, present, and past exist simultaneously, and our consciousness, in the dream state, might be able to navigate these dimensions, perceiving events from different points in time. Moreover, these dreams often carry significant emotional or symbolic weight, suggesting they're not random but meaningful. They can be a source of guidance, warning, or inspiration, offering us insights into our lives and decisions. Understanding and interpreting these dreams can be a powerful tool for personal growth and decision-making. The phenomenon of prophetic dreams invites us to consider a more expansive view of time and consciousness. It challenges the conventional boundaries of our understanding and opens up a world where the human mind can perceive far beyond the constraints of the present moment. This remarkable ability is a testament to the untapped potential of our minds and a gateway to a deeper understanding of our intuition and spiritual connection. Techniques to enhance intuitive abilities. Enhancing our intuitive abilities is like tuning an instrument. It requires practice, patience, and the right techniques. Here, we will explore a range of methods that can assist you in honing your intuition, transforming it into a dependable guide for your daily life. 1. Mindful meditation. The cornerstone of enhancing intuition is meditation. It quietens the chatter of the conscious mind, allowing the subtle voice of your intuition to emerge. Begin with daily sessions of meditation, focusing on your breath or a mantra. This practice isn't about emptying your mind, but rather about observing your thoughts without attachment, creating a space for intuition to speak. As you meditate regularly, you cultivate a heightened awareness, a key to unlocking your intuitive potential. 2. Non-judgmental observation. Often we cloud our intuition with preconceived notions and judgments. Practicing non-judgmental observation means viewing situations and people without the filter of your personal biases. This can be as simple as observing people in a park without assigning stories or motives to their actions. By doing so, you train your mind to receive intuitive information without the distortion of personal biases. 3. Discerning true perception. One of the biggest challenges in intuitive development is distinguishing between true intuition and mental noise. A true intuitive insight often comes as a spontaneous, clear thought or feeling, usually accompanied by a sense of calm and certainty. In contrast, thoughts driven by fear or desire are often repetitive and charged with emotion. With practice, you'll learn to recognize the difference. Trust the feelings in your heart and gut that signal a genuine intuitive insight. 4. Lucid dreaming. Lucid dreaming is a state where you're aware that you're dreaming and can sometimes control the narrative. Before going to bed, set an intention to have a lucid dream and to remember it upon waking. Keep a dream journal to record your experiences. Over time, you'll find that lucid dreaming not only enhances your intuitive skills, but also offers insights into your subconscious mind. 5. Daily mindfulness and remote viewing. Incorporate mindfulness into your daily routine. Be fully present in every task, whether it's eating, walking, or talking. This state of heightened awareness primes you for intuitive insights. Remote viewing, on the other hand, is a more advanced technique where you attempt to perceive a remote or unseen target. Start with simple exercises like trying to visualize what's in another room and gradually progress to more complex targets. 6. Intuitive journaling. Keep an intuition journal. Whenever you have an intuitive hunch, write it down. Record the date, the intuition, and later, the outcome. This practice not only helps in validating your intuitive insights, but also in understanding the nature and patterns of your intuition. 7. Sensory sharpening exercises. Our 5 senses are gateways to intuition. Practice sharpening them. For example, close your eyes and focus on identifying different smells or sounds. As you enhance your sensory awareness, you also heighten your intuitive sensitivity. 8. Heart-centered exercises. The heart is often considered a center of intuitive wisdom. Practice heart-centered meditation by focusing on your heart space and cultivating feelings of love and compassion. This can create an emotional environment conducive to intuitive insights. Remember, developing intuition is a personal journey. What works for one person may not work for another. Be patient and experiment with these techniques to find what resonates with you. Over time, you'll notice your intuitive abilities becoming more refined and reliable, guiding you with an inner wisdom that was always there, just waiting to be discovered. Overcoming mental barriers. A pivotal aspect of enhancing intuition is overcoming mental barriers. Our minds are powerful, but they can also limit us with doubts and skepticism. These barriers often stem from a lifetime of relying solely on logical thinking and dismissing the non-rational. To truly tap into our intuitive potential, we must reframe our mindset. Firstly, recognize and acknowledge your skepticism. It's natural to doubt what we can't see or fully understand. However, instead of letting skepticism block your progress, use it as a stepping stone. Question your doubts and ask yourself where they come from. Are they based on your own experiences, or are they beliefs inherited from others? Understanding the root of your skepticism can help in addressing it effectively. Next, embrace the concept of possibility. The human mind and consciousness are vast and largely unexplored territories. By accepting that there's more to our minds than we currently understand, you open yourself up to new experiences and capabilities. This doesn't mean abandoning logic and reason, but rather allowing them to coexist with intuition. Practicing self-compassion is also crucial. Developing intuition is a journey, and like any skill, it takes time to cultivate. Be patient with yourself and recognize that each step, no matter how small, is progress. Finally, visualization can be a powerful tool. Visualize yourself successfully using your intuition. This practice not only boosts confidence, but also programs your subconscious to be more receptive to intuitive insights. By working through these mental barriers with patience and persistence, you create a fertile ground for your intuitive abilities to flourish and become an integral part of your decision-making process. Applying intuitive skills in everyday life. Integrating intuitive skills into everyday life can transform the way we interact with the world around us. Intuition isn't just a mystical ability. It's a practical tool that, when honed, can offer guidance in various aspects of our lives. Next, I'll show you how you can apply your intuitive skills in everyday scenarios. 1. Decision-making. Whether it's choosing a career path, making financial decisions, or navigating personal relationships, your intuition can serve as a valuable guide. When faced with a decision, take a moment to quiet your mind and listen to your inner voice. Often, the first thought or feeling that comes to you is your intuition speaking. Trusting this can lead to choices that are more aligned with your true self. 2. Enhancing creativity. Intuition plays a significant role in creative endeavors. Whether you're writing, painting, or brainstorming for a project, tapping into your intuitive mind can unleash innovative ideas and solutions. Before starting a creative session, engage in a brief meditation to clear your mind and open it to intuitive insights. 3. Building relationships. Intuition can help you understand and connect with people on a deeper level. It allows you to pick up on nonverbal cues and underlying emotions, facilitating more empathetic and meaningful interactions. Trust your gut feeling about someone. Often, it gives you insight beyond what is verbally communicated. 4. Personal development. Your intuition can guide you in your personal growth journey. It can help you identify areas that need attention and nudge you towards actions that foster your development. Pay attention to recurring thoughts and feelings, as they might be intuitive signals pointing you towards areas of your life that need change or improvement. 5. Problem solving. In complex situations where logical analysis is insufficient, intuition can provide clarity. It can help you see the bigger picture and understand the nuances of the problem, leading to more effective solutions. 6. Health and well-being. Intuition can also be a tool for understanding your body's needs. It might guide you towards healthier lifestyle choices or signal when you need to slow down and rest. By regularly practicing the techniques discussed earlier, you can enhance your intuitive abilities and confidently integrate them into your everyday life. Remember, intuition is like a muscle. The more you use it, the stronger it becomes. Trusting and acting on your intuitive insights not only brings greater clarity and purpose to your life, but also connects you to the deeper wisdom that resides within you. To wrap up, we've taken a deep dive into the world of intuition and consciousness. Remember, this journey is about reawakening to your true potential and embracing the boundless nature of your consciousness. Keep practicing the techniques we discussed, and don't forget to listen to that inner voice. It's your guide to a more connected and intuitive life. If you found this video enlightening, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more content like this. Share your experiences with intuition and consciousness in the comments below. I'd love to hear your stories and insights. And if you think this video can help others, please share it. Stay tuned for more videos where we explore the depths of our minds and the mysteries of our existence. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.